Hello, this is Shahzad Rubani from Fxsniffer.com, looking at the trading outlook of Swiss franc JPY on an hourly chart for 20th of March 2020. Guys, as you have very well aware, overnight in USA we have seen a number of good news regarding coronavirus pandemic, about its treatment. A new drug, an old drug has been advised by FDA for the treatment of coronavirus, and this could be a game changer, many analysts have said. Therefore, we are in a view that the coronavirus impact has been diminishing in the upcoming days. However, what we have seen is obviously and no doubt is and have to be believed. Therefore, as far as on Swiss francs JPY is concerned, as you have seen on an H1 chart, this is the live chart, the market has been plunging for the last 1.5 days. Therefore, we are in a view that this could be in a downtrend as well. Why we have observed this? Look at this. As you can see, on yesterday's, the market has broken this upward ascending trend line, and since then it's been on a downtrend. We are expecting the same thing would be continues. Therefore, just to see this uptrend, so we have two trading strategies as far as this particular pair is concerned. Firstly, either to break out of this trend line, to sell below 111.88, or upon the retesting of this level or this trend line, right, that is situated around 112.72. So it's up to you. You have to keep your equities position, your risk and reward position. So my suggestion could be and would be to sell below 112.72 or below 111.88 for the target of the next swing low that is situated around at 110.99. As you can see, this particular pivot low or this particular pivot low. So these could be my two targets. Let me set this trend line as well. Sorry, this horizontal line. So this might be my target, 110.23. As far as the stop loss is concerned, obviously the previous swing high and couple of points above of this swing high. So this could be my stop loss, 113.07. So in a nutshell, the selling area could be around 112.72 to 111.88 for the target of 110.99 and 110.23 with the stop loss of 113.079. This is all about this pair. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice trading.